Hello.
Selamat pagi.
Pagi. You need helmet or no?
No, that's okay.
No, it's okay.
Yes.
Okay, be careful. Ready?
Ah, you have Instax.
Yes.
Nice.
Where are you from?
From France.
France.
Yes.
Yeah.
You do Instagram
For YouTube.
for yourself. YouTube.
Yes.
Nice.
Holiday here?
Yes, holiday. You live in Bali? You are from Bali or other islands?
I'm from Sumatra.
Okay, nice. Saya kamu Paris? No. Saya dari Paris? No, dari or kamu?
I'm from Bali.
Kamu dari Paris?
No, I'm from Bali.
Bali?
Yes.
Saya dari Paris.
Saya dari Paris.
Yes.
Oh. How long your holiday?
1 month.
1 month. Oh, long time.
Yes, long time.
Only 2 people or only friends?
No, 7. 7
Seven.
girls.
Oh. Your bahasa is good.
I'm trying to learn Balinese. Bahasa.
Yeah.
Balinese, I only know Suksuma,
Yeah, Suksuma. Mother
some
Suksuma.
small words, but mainly Bahasa.
Oh. You smart.
Yes. Because we stay long, so we need to learn.
Okay. Sudah jalan-jalan kemana saja?
Jalan-jalan.
Ya.
Jalan-jalan
You go
walk.
walking.
Yes.
Yeah, holiday. Where you go holiday? Uluwatu? Already?
I did Ubud,
Ubud.
Uluwatu,
Uluwatu?
Canggu.
Canggu?
Last time I did Lombok.
Oh, Lombok.
Lombok, I love it.
Yes. Nusa Penida?
Nusa Penida, not yet.
Oh, no.
I did Gili Island.
Okay. Kintamani is good.
Kintaman, good, okay.
Yeah, maybe you go Kintamani. If you like strawberry, you can go Bedugul.
Okay.
Yeah, Bedugul is good. If you like strawberry,
Strawberry?
yes, more
Okay.
strawberry you can take in at garden.
Ah, really?
Yes,
Nice.
fresh strawberry.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
You like this? Allez!
Go to Potato Head. You go to Potato Head, okay?
Potato head, yes.
Yes. This club.
Yes, good place.
Yes. La Brisa is good. You go La Brisa or no?
Yes, I love it. I like it.
Yeah.
I went on Sunday market too. Sunday market at La Brisa.
Yes, Sunday market.
Very good. I love it.
La Brisa. If you like party, go to La Favela.
La favela is good for party.
Yes.
I've never been to La favela. I've been to Savaya.
Sapphire. Oh yes, good. Sapphire.
Many places. Mesa, Fish, Shady Pig.
Yeah. If you like the sunset, for
Yes.
sunset we go La Plancha
La plancha. I
Yes.
heard about it.
in double six.
Okay.
Yes, La Plancha. Or umbrella.
What?
Yeah, umbrella.
Umbrella, okay.
Yes, in the beach more umbrella. La Plancha name. If you like kecak, then you go to Uluwatu Temple.
Yes.
Yes, good. For sunset, very good.
monkey.
Yes, monkey.
Yeah.
Be careful.
How we say monkey in Bahasa?
Monyet.
Monyet.
Yes.
Okay, monyet.
Yes. Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay, no problem.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
This is my
Years I'm working here. I'm already working here 2 years.
okay. Oh, really?
Yes, IT.
You start?
Yes, IT computer here.
Okay.
Okay, wait a moment.
Terima kasih.
Be careful. Because the big motorbike.
Thank you,
Okay.
bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Ada kenaikan ya?
Yang 11 ada.
Oh. Pantasan 22.000. 22.000 apa berapa tadi? 16. Orang deket gini. 16.000. Aku baru keluar soalnya. Tadi banyak nolak tadi. Aku mau ke Uluwatu soalnya. Mau ke Pererenan. Tak ambil orang deket-deket.